So the second section after the house, after killing this guy, the player leads up to that bridge over there. So this is the first thing they can see. This is their first goal, apart from the orange tower. So coming out this window, they have three options to go. They're dropping down here, which leads under there. Dropping down here, which leads to underneath this. There's a box bit there for some cover, and round here for some cover to fight these five soldiers. So in doing this, we start with two facing away. This is to really show the advantage of the height, and then put in perspective those soldiers on the bridge. So it have the player taking out them. I'll move around here because it's got a better view. Fighting these soldiers, so a bit of a high ground, bit less cover, but the option to drop down. And we've got routes around here, routes around here. So I just wanted to really limit lines just have to these areas, limiting pathing. So, and from the other side, if you drop down here, you go through here. You've got one straight ahead, bit of cover here, these pillars for cover. Then two more here. So from here, we're just out of range of the rifles on there. Their range extends to about here. So there's a bit of cover for an underpass section, or if the player went around the other side. There's a wall here just blocking off line of sight, helping them isolate each of these guys. Before a bit of cover before pushing in. Gaps under here, just views from under here. They've got a bit here, bit of cover around there. Option to push up. This also has a bit of cover for when these guys come out, because those will come up to roughly here somewhere. And having a small bit of cover for the player to fight around instead of leaving them totally exposed up here. And from there, we move up and go underneath the bridge. There are two enemies up here just by the entrance, one, two. There's cover around here, head high cover to crouch behind here, bit lower cover there. And then it leads, there's no enemies up there for now. But there's two here which come into use later. So from here, it goes into these enemies here. I might get rid of this just because it blocks off this bit here. And maybe I might tweak those. Okay, but then it goes into just more emphasis on the being above you. So, and then yeah, it goes into the section where the body is killed by the sniper, which is this bit on the bridge. So this I wanted to be solely focused on the body. So originally I planned to have some enemies down here, but I didn't want the player being stuck on the bridge. So I'll probably have them pushed down to up here, or around here if any. Yeah, that's the second section after the bridge, after the house.